Conrad kongkal sang mau ula pentip bahag Ïakynduh yu menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi. Ulayok banyak keren sani halor ki babon ki kampen roy jeng Jylla bad kini ki nyo na prasnam ke Jylla kelamat iki jeng bagi jeng tenjo bagi ladon ru ki jeng ya cekamat jeki kampen roy baper. Ulang bulayok ban pensngau ki katukan ki kam ki balalek ki bedai bad ke jingkyuh ki yok kakot kakya kapule putih ki bentah ki emlang salang bad ula penpau ru iki jeng ki bagi Jylla kamat bad ula kerpat yu menteri rang bado kari bah kamang teka kebansawan ni hakikai pot banwan jang finance commission dai ban pai kemat kerpang bad ula ai jeng mut ru halor kene kebenta Conrad kongkal sangma ula ong bagasarkar pedang hapok jing alam menteri rang bado kari kelale bon ki kampen roy hakatan dalam mingi bad ke Jylla Meghalaya ru kelayo shibun bah jing mentoy ula ong bah kini ki prasnam ki belalet ke Meghalaya kelakio shiprang bad kelawan baara ke Kyntiew state jang ke GSDP hagari bad kini laisnam ke belalet kala beteng menkenjo ke Jynkyew ke bakot syakashi pau na kashispa.
I had the opportunity to meet the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and in that meeting, many aspects of development of the state of Meghalaya were discussed. In the last 7.5-8 years, we have gone through a long journey of different challenges, different opportunities, and at the same time different development works that have taken place. In this meeting, I was able to share some of those different works, whether it's in terms of infrastructure, in terms of economic growth, or in terms of the social aspects and aspects related to the health and education sector of our state. All of these aspects were discussed with the Honorable Prime Minister. And I also shared some of the challenges and concerns that we have. I also requested the Honorable Prime Minister that if certain aspects in the upcoming budget and upcoming Finance Commission's reports could also be looked into, suggestions were made in those lines as well. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister for his leadership, especially when it comes to the northeast part of India, as well as the state of Meghalaya in particular. A large development aspect and different programs and schemes have been given to the northeast, which have made a huge difference. Our state of Meghalaya has also benefited largely. As you're all aware, in the last 8 years, Meghalaya has seen tremendous growth in terms of its GSDP, where we are the second fastest growing economy, as well as an economy that has consistently grown at an average of about 10% in the last 3 years. So all of these aspects were presented to the Honorable Prime Minister, and we look for continuous support from his end and from the government of India's end for taking the state of Meghalaya forward. Thank you so much.